Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 3D drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to select plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, center rectangle from origin. Now give the dimension, smart dimension. This line dimension 90 and this line dimension give 90. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now give the value extrude from line 10. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the two circle draw. Now give the value circle, go to smart dimension and this circle value 40 and this circle below 20. Okay. Now go to this point and this line distance. Now give the 110 and this line and this point below 20. Okay, select. Now go to 3-point R. Now select this point and this circle select. Okay. Now go to this R, control this circle tangent. Now go to smart dimension and this arc radius 50. Okay, select. Now draw the again arc, this circle and this point select. Now this circle control this arc and this circle tangent. Okay. Now go to this arc radius, or you can have this point draw vertical center line and this center line control this line, this arc tangent. Okay. No need arc dimension here. Now go to this line convert entities. Okay. Now go to offset. Now go to 10 offset. This arc 10 offset and select chain. All sides are 10 offset. Okay. Now go to offset this circle 10. Okay. Now go to trim. Now trim cut here, here and here. This line cut, this arc and this arc cut and this arc. Okay, select. Now go to fillet. Now here select 6. Now this line and this arc and this line and this arc. Give the below here 16. 16 below. Okay. Now I'm give the below here 10. 10 is enough. Okay. Now go to fillet here again. Another side 6. This line and this arc and this line and this arc. Okay. 10 is the perfect. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now I am going to extrude here from mid plane. Now here give the below 30. Okay. Now go to again sketch. Now select here extrude. Now select here extrude 10. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select fillet. Here fillet. Select here and here. Now go to fillet below 20. Now go to isometric view. Now here fillet. Now here fillet 2. Now select here is select. No need here. This is and this is no need here. This face select and this face and this is okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to edit here, sketch. This is sketch edit. Now here give the value 75. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here, select shaded. Now go to this face and sketch. Now I am going to hair hole. Now I am going to hole here. Now give the below, hole below 15. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Okay. Now I am going to edit, fillet edit. Now this fillet edit. Now give the below here 10. Okay. 10 or 15. Now give the value 15. 15 perfect. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Okay. Now go to here select color. Now select color. Now select color here. Now this color perfect. Now go to again isometric view. Mm, Now go to all mirror. Now select front plane, mirror. Now here select right plane. This box select right plane, here select cut. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.